Okay, so we continue with the question 4b. So question 4 reads, given that the determinant of the matrix A with elements 2x minus 1, 1, 4, negative 2 is negative 10. Find 1, the value of x, then 2, the inverse of A. So how can we find the value of x when we've been given this matrix and its determinant equal to negative 10? So you shouldn't worry about that. All you need to do is to use the concept of finding the determinant. So for the solution, we are going to say we get this matrix and then we find its determinant. So how do we get the determinant of a matrix? We get the product of the major diagonal minus the product of the minor diagonal. So this means we are going to say 2x minus 1 is going to multiply negative 2, then minus 4 times 1. So this is the product of the major diagonal. We subtract the product of the minor diagonal. And this should be equal to negative 10 because this has been given as the value of the determinant in the question. So we can now simplify. The negative 2 is going to multiply everything inside. We are going to get negative 4x plus 2, then minus 4 when we multiply this, which will be equal to negative 10. Hope we are moving together. From what we have, we can do the correction of like terms, meaning we are going to have negative 4x, positive 2 minus 4 will give us negative 2, which will be equal to negative 10. Then negative 4x will be equal to negative 10. This negative 2 will come to the other side. It means it becomes positive 2. So we have negative 4x will be equal to negative 8. Then we can simply divide on both sides by negative 4 because we want to find the value of x. Therefore, x will be equal to positive 2. That is for the first part of question B1. Then we can look at the other part where we are expected to find the inverse of the matrix A. So our matrix A now will change to, when we get these 2 and substitute where there is x, we are going to have 4 minus 1, we shall get 3, 1, 4, and negative 2. To get the inverse of the matrix A, inverse is denoted by this. A inverse is equal to 1 over determinant of A times the adjoint matrix of A. So our A inverse will be equal to 1. We know the determinant of A, it is negative 10, times the adjoint of A is simply gotten by interchanging the elements in the major diagonal, like this, and the 3 will come here. Then for the elements in the minor diagonal, only the signs are going to change. If it was positive, it becomes negative. If it was negative, it becomes positive. So we are going to have negative 4, negative 1 there. So this A inverse will be equal to 1, negative 1 over 10, multiplying negative 2, negative 1, negative 4, and 3. That is the solution for this last part of question 4. Thank you.